everybody, it's Christine with Cocoa Daisy, and I apologize that these are being put up a little late. It's just been kind of busy, but I am super excited to share with you a few layouts using the Take Flight collection, which is all about spring and warm sun and happy colors and a few raindrops because, well, I love rainy days too. So this is using the Traveler's Notebook Kit from the Take Flight collection. And the Traveler's Notebook Kit, if you're unfamiliar, comes with everything that you would need, including the notebook that you see here to record memories of a special event or a season, or even if you want to use them each month, you can do them that way too. What I like to do is take the products from the kit, give you a couple of ideas, just a couple of layouts to get you started, some inspiration, some fun ways to use the product that is in the kit. And I'm going to start off with this page with our dear sweet little Bodhi on here. I loved the You Make Me Happy When Skies Are Gray page. This already kind of gives me a title. It gives me a spot to start with. And then I also want to remind you, so you get a stamp set in the kit. And then every month I also do a stamping video where I take the stamp set from the Traveler's Notebook Kit and from the Modern Memory Keeping Kit, and I create examples and I go through that. So make sure you check out that video as well. But one of the reasons that I wanted to mention this is that by playing, which is what I really encourage you to do when you get your stamp sets, is just get some colors together and just start playing, and you never know what kind of combinations you're going to make. And that is where I got the inspiration for this page. I was playing with the stamp set and I loved the way that this looked as a border. And when I saw this here with the black and white kind of newsprint that's behind the lettering, I thought the black and white kites would be really, really cute. So that is what I did here. I'll get that in there for you just to hold it down. Is I stamped these on just a plain piece of white cardstock. I cut them out and kind of created die cuts. And I had the little bird on there. I stamped the rain or shine directly on the paper, and then I added some of the little silhouette kites on there as well. And then I just kind of carry that theme over. I added one here. And then I did a few rub-ons with the clouds and with the kites here as well. So that came from the rub-on sheet that was in the kit. Added this cute little picture of Bodhi sitting in his little ray of sunshine. Added the title, a couple of die cuts, and then my journaling. A number of you have asked about the journaling. I do that. I type it up on my computer and then I print it out on matte sticker paper that is clear, and then I just cut it out and put it on there. It just makes it a lot easier than trying to use your handwriting if you're not happy with your handwriting. And you can position it and kind of use whatever font or size that you want. So that made that super simple. And then the other one, I loved all of the colors that were in this stripe page. And I felt like they really went well with the colors that were in this picture of Zach and I. And so what I kind of did is I kind of took the stripe thing and used it as a design element. So I took some of the washi tape and made a couple of stripes on this page just to kind of bring that over and combine the two into more of a cohesive spread. And I used the two gray sections here to kind of make a tone-on-tone effect with the title. So that was for my title placement. I loved how those colors all worked together. And then I added the little bird die cut there. The other thing that I did specifically with this line of washi tape, bringing that over, is it brings you right into our faces, which is what you try and want to do when you direct the eye when you're doing design on a layout is bring it into the focal point of the pictures. And so I did that. That's why that placement of that particular stripe is there. I layered a couple of die cuts here. These are so cute. I love the little tags that were in the die cut pack. And so I just took a piece of string and I strung those on. Some of them were printed, some of them I stamped, some of them I added rub-ons, added a few other little rub-on bits on here as well, and then my journaling. So super simple and easy layout to do. It did not take much at all to do, but I love the way that it turned out. It has all of the colors in there, and it just, the stripes were really pretty and very, very happy for spring. So a couple of things that I wanted to mention about the kits as well that you're not necessarily going to see me use, but come in the kit is you have this great notebook board. And what this does is this will allow you, if you do want to do any handwriting or journaling, if you like to use these for journaling or listing, it gives you a nice, great flat surface to write on. Or if you're going to do some stamping, anything like that. So this notebook board is really, really nice to be able to do that, to tuck that behind your page and then use it to write on. Super handy tool. We like to include tools once in a while in our kits. Just, you know, if we see something special or we haven't done something in a while, it's fun to do that. The other thing that I did not use that are in here is this month, instead of the oversized tags, we have the Traveler's Notebook cards. These are great jumping off points for layouts. They're super easy to use and combine. I mean, you could add that one with that one, put a picture here, and you're done. So they make creating a layout super easy and super fast. So like this one has just another rainy day. You throw your picture on there, and again, you could put that with that, and maybe just a little die cut in the middle of here or more pictures, and you're good to go. So those were in the kit as well. So that's a look at a couple of layouts that I created using the Traveler's Notebook Kit. And make sure you leave a comment below, hit subscribe, and share. I love to do these for you to give you some inspiration and some ideas. Make sure you check out the Cocoa Daisy Instagram page where you can see our creative team make a lot of ideas as well using this kit and some of our other kits.